That you have with coffee.
Yeah, with coffee. Cake with coffee.
Yeah, but not the sliced cake like that.
What cake
like
do you mean?
Like a cake, and you put it here. Dutch cake.
Dutch cake, yeah. Dutch pie. Magbili tayo na ipakain sa pastor. Yeah, the school is dicht, eh?
Yeah.
Sarado daw ang parang dito siya mag-aral.
This is cake.
What? Yeah, wait for the coffee.
That is cake.
It's the cute, like this ba? Like what we are always buying on this birthday.
You never do that in the Netherlands. So unless you do that specifically for the pastor, because that's usual that you bring a pastor piece of cake, I wouldn't do this.
Okay, then whatever you think is good for the Dutch. Because in the Philippines, we do lechon for the blessing of the house. So today is the blessing of the house, guys. Yes. Nakahanap po ako ng pastor dito online. Pero minessage ko din po yung simbahan. Kaso hindi po sila nag-reply ba? So nag-direct po sa pastor. Grabe ang handa sa Netherlands, guys. Cookie. Hindi naman yan importante, no? Ang importante, ma-bless na po itong bahay. Kay, yun nga sabi ko simula nung dumating po kami dito ba, hindi mawala-wala ang mga sakit-sakit, mga problema-problema. Kaya gusto ko na po talaga siyang ipa-bless. Alam nyo, hindi ba yan uso dito, guys? Do you think our neighbors also bless their house, Mahal?
No.
That's not really in the Netherlands, right?
No. And that is also not something the Protestant people do. In Catholic, the Catholic branch of the Christian belief is very small in the Netherlands.
Yeah. Kasi marami po dito din sa kanila na wala pong relihiyon. Buti na lang ito si Daniel, wala na po talaga to siyang relihiyon nung nakilala ko siya, pero ngayon medyo nagbago po siya nung simula nung nakilala niya ako, magpasok siya ng simbahan. Tapos nagtingin-tingin po kami ng mass. Kay magsimba po kami dito, may English mass. Siya po naghanap pa. Sabi niya, we can do this as a family, right, Mahal? You said that, Mahal?
Yeah.
Pero open po siya, no?
I am open to that.
Sa ano din, sa Pilipinas. He went to a church with us.
That is part of what you do when you get married with a different belief. You need to respect each other's beliefs.
Yeah. Thank you, Mahal. But Daniel was taught when he was a child. So, depende na lang po yan sa kanila no, kung ipagpatuloy. Kahit naman sa atin, meron naman talagang yung hindi na nagsisimba or nagdadasal. Pero mas marami po talaga ang nagpatuloy at naniniwala sa atin kaysa dito po sa Netherlands. So, nahanap ko po siya online. Una ko po siyang minessage. Kasi, pagka-message ko sa kanya, tsaka ko po tinanong si Maricel kung yung sa ano ba, binyag kasi siya dito kay, kay Mila or pati kay Matthew. So, doon po sa simbahan na yun, nga ako sa kanila din, nag-message din po ako sa kanila, hindi sila nag-reply. Pero yung pastor po na pupunta sa bahay mamaya, isa lang po yan sila, yung simbahan din po na pinagbinyagan ni Maricel. So ngayon po tayo, mag-withdraw din ako. Kaya para may mabigay din po tayo sa pastor. Magkano kaya yan? Ano lang may yan, donation? Yung si Maricel, ang binigay niya ata nung time niyan 50. Hindi, ang pastor ang magpunta sa bahay, okay? Magpunta daw kami kay pastor. Magpunta siya mamaya sa bahay. At saka, pa-bless ko na din po si Lucas. Do we have an envelope at home, Han? Si Vika, pupunta din po siya mamaya. Sabi niya kagabi. Tinawagan man namin siya. Sabi ko
envelope
for the donation money.
Yeah.
A small one. Pupunta po siya. Alam niyo, sabi ni Bianan, wala daw silang alam sa mga ganyan, pero pupunta po daw siya. No? Kasi si Bianan, parehas din yan siya kay Daniel, guys. Yung sila ba, they were taught but hindi nila dinala talaga na sineryoso. Parehas po sa atin na naniniwala po talaga, nagdadasal. But they are both open. So pupunta siya mamaya. Bilhan din natin siya ng cookie. Kaya kasama siya sa budget. Nag-search po ako sa internet kung anong dapat ibigay sa pastor or sa pari. Ang nakalagay doon, sabi na hindi daw talaga obliged tayo na magbigay kasi kusa po daw nila yung ginagawa at ano yun, pwede daw na pakainin lang or magbigay ka ng small gift. Pero kay mag-donate na lang tayo ng ng pera para kay pastor. Why not the cake, mahal? The piece of cake?
Because it's very strange if you go to someone and you are not going for a celebration and you will give them a piece of cake.
That celebration, blessing of the house.
Oh, okay. Well, if that's a celebration with a pie and food and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
We don't know that. And I
guys,
think that also the Catholics here don't do that, but maybe they do, I don't know.
Kainin naman ng cookie si pastor. Ganyan lang din kasi talaga dito sa kanila eh. Cookie tsaka tsaka tea or coffee. Cake is for birthdays daw.
For birthdays, for when you finish school, maybe when you got a new job like that.
Here in the
Netherlands, you're inviting a lot of people and you have a party, that's for cake.
Yeah, but in the Philippines we buy cake even there's no celebration.
Yeah, but here we don't.
Kuripot kasi sila, guys. Sabi ko kay Daniel ba that we need to withdraw. Sabi niya meron daw siya sa bahay. Kayong sa niya pa nga yung sa birthday cash niya. Yun na lang, meron man siya doon mga 1,300 siguro. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya na na lang yung dollars ba na binigay ni mamang. The dollars, mahal. What do you think? He will accept that, right? Antok ka na. Niligo ko yan. Antok na siya, oh. Galing yan ng school kanina eh, pagod. Nagdalawang vlog po ako today. Bili din po kami ng sakit pa rin ng legs ko. Ng kandila. Sa di ba kailangan yan ng kandila, guys? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko din alam anong gawin. Basta ang pagkaalam ko, magpunta ang pari sa bahay, mag-bless po, tapos may kandila. Ang huli ko pong napuntahan na nag-bless sa sa Pilipinas ay yung sa ang bahay pa namin, katagal-tagal na yun, siguro mga 20 years na, guys. Not that kando, uy. And then you will do it like this, mahal, on your hand like this. Meron sila pang Christmas, everyone. Wow, kahit Nathan. Ayaw ko maglagay ng ganito, oh. Ayaw ko na ng ganyan, guys. Oh, anong nakita mo dyan? Wow, that is Moy. Moy pala, boy.
Cake, Papa. Cake.
Yeah.
Ganda ng kulay, guys. Ng pan nila, gusto ko to. Pero magdumi man siguro yan, no? Magpangit ang kulay pag matagalan. Like that? No, I'll just make a paper, mahal. Ito din, 10% daw taga. Magluto ka? Magluto daw si Nathan. Ito ba? Tingnan nyo, guys. Electric po siya. Malaki siguro talaga ang puwit ko, guys. Baka grabe talaga kasakit. Oh, hindi man ang puwit. It's not my butt is hurting, mahal. The muscle under my butt. So, it's not the butt that I'm working out. Because it needs the butt to be hurting. So, you know that it's getting big. Agoy. Mali ang ating pag-exercise, guys.
You need your butt to be hurting. I can help you with that, mahal.
How will you do?
I can help you with that.
Dito po tayo sa Albertine. Magbili ng cookie ni Pastor. Sabi ko kay Daniel, hindi kami dito bibili ng cookie para kay Pastor. Doon na lang sa bakery talaga para masarap na cookie, guys. Gawin din natin special. Bigyan mo lang siya ng na dito lang sa grocery bilhin. Diba, no? Kakainin natin ng masarap si Pastor, ha? Okay? Lekker daw. Na siya. Naka-free taste si Nathan, guys. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, special sale pack.
Do you want?
Second free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chocolate milk. May free taste siya, Inom na Nathan.
Mooi, hè? Ja.
No sugar siya, guys. Naubos yan na. Sarap. Bumili kami. Nasa ano po siya? Nasa sale po siya, no? 1 plus 1 free. Alos for Nathan, Chocolate milk. Yeah, kay. Alos for Nathan. Ayan po yung bakery. Lagi po naming pinagbibilhan pag may mga birthday. Dito po talaga kami pumupunta.
Wachten.
Tawid tayo. Yeah, para sa pastor, okay?
Maybe you can get that for the pastor.
Yeah, like that. Something like that. Wow! Hello! Lekardi. May paganyan pa sila. May pa-sausage pa, oh. Ano gusto mo? Ito mga chocolate. Like what? Yeah, like that. And also Vika mahal. Yeah, like this.
6 pieces.
Yeah. Like. Oh, yeah, like that. Yeah, like this. Is this yummy?
Like this.
I like this. May nahanap na po tayo. Sinatan, mag-ano pa. Uy, may pa-ice cream din sila, guys. Ito, burger. Ka-cute ba? May pa-sausage na ganyan. May salmon din. So, what is this, mahal? A cake?
Oh, it's marzipan.
Marzipan? Tapos meron din po sila.
This is honey. Salted honey.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Pizza. Tingnan nyo ang puno, guys. So moy. Ang kulay. Yellow and something. Very fall. Handa for the house blessing, guys. Masanay na tayo kay nasa Netherlands man. Masarap yan kay galing sa bakery po talaga. Siyempre, naglinis ako ng bahay. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kay grabe ko ka proud. See that? You see that? You see that? Nagsagot pa itong isa. Makain ng ice cream. Hindi yan natulog. Mabuti yan kaya para maaga matulog mamaya. You see that? Bagong bili ni Daniel, oh. Nagbili ng alak. Pero yan, siguro mga 20 years niya siguro yan maubos, guys. So, kayong mag-alala. Hindi po yan ang sugapa sa alak ang mister ko. Ito, linisin pa pala natin yan ng toilet sa baba, guys. Tapos na ako naglinis sa taas, eh. Para tayong mag-house tour, ha? Kita ko sa inyo, kaya hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Naglinis ako. You see that? Basa yung aming shower kaya naligo si Nathan kanina. You see that? At dito malinis din. Tinanggal ko yung mga labahan dyan. Kaya dyan nakalagay. Ngayon ko lang siya natanggal, guys. Kasi, di ba nung andito sila mamang, dito ko po siya nilagay. Ngayon, andito na siya sa guest room ulit. Ating guest room. Medyo malinis din po. You see that? Dito tayo sa kwarto ni Nathan. Nilinis ko din to. You see that? At ang aming naman, attic, nilinis na din po ni Daniel. So ngayon, ibaba po natin si Lucas. Ibaba ko po ang baby love. Baba po natin siya, no? Ka-bless din po yan siya. Ha? Okay. Yes. Hindi ko pa siya nabilhan ng guys. Maganda na lalagyan. Baka sa Pinas na lang po ako bibili, no? May pangalan po talaga ba? Palagyan natin ng pangalan niya. Yung maganda. Doon na lang kay. Grabe ka mahal dito. Mag 30,000 pesos. Lalagyan lang ng ng ashes. Tapos hindi pa masyado maganda. Wala pang pangalan. Sa Pilipinas may pangalan na. So ito ibaba din po natin to. Para ma-bless din itong mga angel na bigay ni Bianani. At saka itong bigay ni Mamang na galing Quiapo. At saka itong bigay ni ng boss ni Maricel. So, dito lang natin siya ilagay, guys. Pwede na yan. My love? Ipaprepare na natin sa kanyang sobre. Dito na, hindi natin ilagay yung sobre. Mamaya man siguro ibigay no pag mag-uwi na siya. Siyempre, itapon natin itong mga lamaw dito. Maglinis na ako ng toilet sa baba.
Zet hem op de pot.
Dat moet je niet leren, dan gaat hij daar op school zeuren. Dat moet je niet doen.
Why, what is that?
Dat is niet leuk.
De zak van Sinterklaas, Sinterklaas, Sinterklaas.
What is that about?
Dat moet hij hem niet leren.
No. Hello, Daniel is teaching his son. That's not a good song for Sinterklaas?
Ja, dat is een goed song.
Nou, niet voor, nee. Hij gaat dat op school zingen en dan wordt hij uitgelachen. Dat moet je
Ja.
niet doen.
Dat wordt niet heel...
Is jarig. Ik zet mijn schoentje klaar. Ik hoop dat hij hem voldoet.
Met,
ja, wist ik het maar. Hier zet ik wat haver. Daar wat hooi voor het paard.
Nag-practice na sila para sa Sinterklaas.
Dat trouwe beestje is het heus wel waard.
Sa December 5.
Ja, ginds komt de stoomboot uit Spanje weer aan. Hij brengt tot
Nicolaas.
en afstaan. Hoe huppelt zijn paardje het dek op en neer. Hoe huppelt
Ilipat po ni Bianan yung kanyang sasakyan. Kaya dito din siya sa harap. Baka yung pastor ba? Diyan na lang mag-park sa harap namin. Ito ang ating ibibigay guys. Nagpalagay ako ng 100 euros. Tama na siguro ito. Ayan. 100 para kay pastor. Yung ano kanina na pinag-uusapan nila about sa Sinterklaas na kanta. Yung parang sa atin ba, nagawa na ba yung sa jingle bells, tain Isabel. We also have that, we do that. we were taught about that when we were kids too. Gipusil, ugbari, jingle bells, tain Isabel. Ginawa din pala, ginagawa din nila dito guys, yung gawa ng kanta ba about sa Pasko. Sabi ni Bianan, huwag daw turuan ng ganyan.
Mag niet. Zingen ze op school ook niet.
Deze?
Nee, ze zingen
Not
niet.
allowed?
Zwarte Piet mag niet meer.
I told you right when you were vlogging and you were talking about
The Zwarte Piet.
It's not allowed.
Not allowed to say that anymore?
Niet zeggen, nee. Niet meer.
Zwart. Hindi na daw pwede magsabi ng black. Kaya ang zwart nila
Piet
black.
is not allowed anymore
Because some people are not.
because they see it as racist.
Ja,
If you.
dat snap ik ook wel.
But are they still putting the black stuffs on the?
No,
Yeah,
nee.
but different. Not before it was they did all the black face
Blackface.
like African people.
Even reclame.
And now what they do is like they put wipes of black like this,
Yeah.
so you see the skin through, because Pete goes through the what do you call it?
Chimney.
Through the chimney to bring the packet the
So it's
presents
not
inside
black?
the house, so he gets the chimney dust on his face.
But it's not black anymore like the
Not
black
anymore.
people before.
it was like that, but now not anymore.
May mga nagalit kasi. Ano ba, racist daw. Sinterklaas! Yan yung kanta na ginagawan-gawan ni Daniel. Guys, wala pa good si Pastor.
Ja.
Baka nakalimutan niya. Sa ano pa lang naman kami, email lang kami nag-uusap ba?
Nu is de school dicht, ja.
Hindi pa naman yan, it's not really in the Netherlands that you will be late. On time talaga yan sila palagi. Pero 10 minutes pa lang, but it's already 10 minutes late man. Should we call him? No, not yet.
Thinking maybe 15 or 20 minutes to go.
Yeah. Or maybe he's lost. Kadami pa namang nawala dito sa address namin. Pati ang mga package. Sus, Diyos ko Lord! 7 o'clock man pala guys! Hindi 4 o'clock! Alas 7 pa siya mapunta dito after dinner. Pero ang nakalagay doon sa email niya kasi, ang nilagay niya 4 o'clock. Sabi niya sorry na mali daw siya ng type. Okay lang, 7 o'clock. Gawa na lang tayo ng ng pang dinner namin. Lang kami. Ito oh. Can I show them what we're eating for dinner? Is that under eye? Okay?
Yeah.
Ito oh. Are you eating here, Vika? Kaya nagtaka na po talaga ako. Kasi sabi niya Thursday evening. Tapos bakit 4 o'clock? Thursday evening 4 o'clock. So mali pa lang pagka-type niya guys. No? Tinawagan na po namin. Baka late na siya ng mga 20 minutes. Zeg maar tot straks, oma.
Tot straks, liefje.
Magbalik lang yan si Vika.
Tot straks.
Bye, Vika.
Knuffel.
Kay ang ano niya. Kush and knuffle daw. Ihag at saka kiss niya daw muna ang uma niya. Hindi dito mag-dinner daw si Bianan, guys. Kaya ang pusa niya doon, kailangan din kumain. Magbalik lang siya mamaya. Guys, hindi kayo, they will not, ano yan? They will not believe what our dinner is. Tingnan nyo, napansit canton kami. Ano na lang yung dessert, yung ginagawa ngayon ni Daniel. Yung sinatano, pansit canton, meron pipino, tapos may
We
balls.
already ate pakbit in the afternoon.
Kumain na kasi kami ng pakbit. Isang, ano lang kami.
A lot of Dutch people do that. They eat warm in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And then they eat bread in the evening and also in the morning.
Yeah, only one warm meal here, mahal. Why are there some Dutch that are big people? Because they eat a lot?
Yeah, maybe they always eat patat or they snack a lot, or you know, it doesn't have to be that everybody eats only one warm meal, but most Dutch people eat only one meal a day.
Dito din sa bahay namin, one warm meal a day. Pero kung minsan magano ako dalawang beses. Ito sinatang, yung ano lang, tinapay lang sila ba sa umaga tsaka sa tanghali. Tapos puro prutas. Sa gabi na yan sila mag warm meal. Gusto niya pa daw ng balls. Gusto mo pa? Well. Mama, oh!
There's a few papa.
Okay, feel. That's okay? Andyan po, Mama Deja.
Yeah.
Dalawa na lang nga yung balls ko. Ganyan talagang nanay, guys. Ibigay sa kanila. Bahala, wala tayo makain. Kain ka. Ang kabiliban ko kay Nathan, kay kumakain ng manghang. Chili mansig ko dyan, guys. I'm super proud of him ba that he can eat spicy stuff. Spicy food. Pita ko ngit. Nay daw.
The pistol fell.
Yan, Becha?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a pistol.
Maar dat is lekker toch?
Vind je lekker?
Yeah. Een pistol.
Ay! Met dali ko.
Met de overvoort.
Nga, ook met de fork, hè? Ito. Kain. Very good. Our dessert! Ginawa po ni Daniel, cream at ito.
It's very, very hot
Yeah, very, very hot.
inside.
With apple inside, my love?
Yeah.
Marunong na talaga siya magsuot. Count! Malamig daw sa loob. Magsapatos daw siya. Look, everyone! Wow! O, kembutan mo kami, be. Kembot mo. Ikembot-kembot mo. May bagong kanta yan si Nathan, guys. Ano yung bagong kanta mo, Butterfly? Fly, 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 the butterfly. Dali. Very good! Bye, Kubo! Go! Dali. Kanta. Makinig ka mabuti ha, hindi bahay Kubo.
Hi, Kupo.
Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Paa, tuhod. Very good.
Balik ka tulong.
Laksan mo. Si Bianan, guys, nagdala ng sarili ng tsinelas. You just bought it, Vika?
€5 by the middle.
Okay, that's beautiful. Not bad.
What is your size?
37, but I have a lot here.
They have it for €5. They also have your size.
Heer onze God, we willen bidden voor Lucas. Wij geloven dat Lucas bij u mag zijn. Wij als engeltje in de hemel. Wees bij vader en moeder van Lucas. Geef hen veel sterkte om dit grote verlies te kunnen verwerken, stukje bij beetje.
Galing na po dito ang pari, guys. Na-bless na po ang bahay. Agoy. Thank you so much, Vika.
Doe schatje.
At si ano, Lucas.
Ja, fijn dat ik erbij was.
Yan.
Bij de vee.
Iakyat ko na dito si Lucas, guys.
Ja. Moet het allemaal erboven?
Yes, please.
Ja.
Ang ganda
Ze zijn er
naman.
ook nog in een maatje kleiner.
Dito kami sa kwarto, guys.
You want to try? I can buy them for you.
No, it's fine. I have a lot here.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
lekker hè?
Warm.
Lekker warm van mijn voeten.
Ja. Ja, bookleson.
Yeah.
Sprokes.
Yeah.
Ito, gusto mo to? Ito ang basahin ni Papa, okay? Efteling book.
Hey, Mama.
Grabe kasarap sa feeling, guys. Iba
For
ba?
Mama.
Yung bigat
For
na.
Mama.
Yung bigat ba? Sa puso, sa lahat, sa katawan ko, parang nawala. As in, para akong lumulutang ngayon. Yung sinasabi din po ng pari na si Lucas daw is watching over us. Angel na po siya. Iba talaga ba pag na-bless ang bahay at bless niya din po kaming mag-asawa. Siyempre, hindi ko na po blinag yung pastor. Kaya makahiya din. Pastor, say hi to my vlog.
A bookleson.
Yeah, bookleson si Papa. Ayan na. Dali na. Toothbrush muna. Mag-prepare.
I hope that you
Yeah,
feel better in the
feel
house.
better now, mahal. You know, I'm
You had
feeling...
a bad feeling in the house, right?
Yeah. Now, I'm super feeling light.
Yeah,
No joke, mahal.
that's good.
Thank you, my love. For letting me bless the house.
Yeah, of course. You know, like I told you, I don't know how it works or what to do, but I'll support you in it, of course.
Thank you, my love. Guys, may bagong toothbrush si Nathan, guys. Meron pang pa-counting-counting, oh. Timer. Yeah, this for you.
So I have a question for you, Mama. Did we need a pie?
No.
Did we need a birthday cake?
You know, at first,
Nee, man, dat is klaar.
the pastor didn't even want to eat anything. Tinanong namin ba, if you want something.
I told you, right?
Yeah, you're right, mahal. Tapos after dinner pa talaga nagpunta dito and then we were giving him cake. If we gave him cake, I don't think that he will eat it, mahal. He just had the dinner and then he will have the cake. You're right, my love. It's good that I listened to you. Ngayon na, magwiwi ka na. Makati na naman ang mata niya.